Hi guys, my name is Evelyn, and I'm making pancakes with my auntie today.
Evelyn, we don't have baking powder at home.
Let's go shopping. Huh? And I think this is what I drew.
You drew that?
Yeah.
That's a nice pudding.
Oh.
Okay. Where does it say?
Here.
Okay.
Maybe this is baking powder.
It is baking powder. Good job.
Thanks.
Evelyn, have you cracked an egg before?
No.
First, grab a bowl. Then use the egg to knock on the edge of the bowl. Put your fingers where the crack is and pull it apart. Oh no, you put the shell in there. Okay, give me the shell.
It's a little slimy.
Next,
I know. Put the flour in the mixing bowl. Salt and baking powder and sugar.
now make a well in the center.
Well.
Make a hole in the center of the flour.
Huh? Oh, it's a really big hole. Oh. I made 2 holes. I mean 3 holes. I mean 4 holes.
One big hole, silly, is for the wet ingredients.
What ingredient?
Yes, that's the egg.
Oh.
It's okay. Milk. Can you mix this? I forgot to melt the butter.
If I'm done, tell me, okay?
Here it is, fresh from the microwave.
It's hot.
Careful! It's time for cooking. Can you show everyone how it's done?
Slowly pour right in the center.
It's okay, put it back in.
Oh, it's not really round though. Flip it over when you see bubbles. Let's make more than one, okay? Don't go away. There's bloopers at the end.
Baking session, remember where it is? Where you saw Elsa? Do you remember where you saw Elsa? Elsa.
Good.
Show me. Let's buy another day.
I want that.
I promise I'll find frozen cupcakes online for you. Okay? I'm sorry. And then knock, knock, knock on the... Yep. Knock, knock, knock. Got it.
Okay. My hands is a little bit slimy. Okay. My hands are a little bit slimy.
Yes, yes. You can try next time.
Okay. If I'm older, right? Okay. 如果我5歲你先可以俾我㗎。
Okay, ready?
Yeah.
Are you catching all the details? Are you catching it?
Yeah. I was catching it, but I'm not very good at filming.
Let's eat this one. You want this one?
Yeah, I wanted this one.
Okay. Let's...
Did it burn?
I think it...
Only we need someone older.
You think I'm not old enough?
No, I don't think you're old enough for making pancakes yet. Thank you for watching.
Like our video and comment below.
Don't forget to subscribe. Have a nice day.